a bit of a lull period, and Final Fantasy XIV players have returned to their statue states and are still wearing nothing but 2-button leggings, messaging people through ERP. It's time for the economic stimulus release, the coffee biscuits. Let's take out our flour. Measure out 250 grams of butter and bring it to room temperature. And to another bowl, we're going to mix together 3 kinds of sugar: yellow, white, and brown. These biscuits once crashed the Final Fantasy XIV gill economy, inflating gill prices and turning them into more or less monopoly money. We're going to cream the sugar together along with 250 grams of room temperature butter, along with some vanilla extract. Coffee is a necessity. I'm not addicted. You are. When you're an old hag like me and you need that little boost in energy, you turn to the brown water. Put away that monster energy. You and I both know that is terrible for you. Once this is a nice, smooth cream, add in 1.5 tablespoons of espresso and hot water mixed together. Mixing your flour little by little, this actually helps balance out the sweetness, along with a little bit of bitter dark chocolate chips. And form little balls and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the outsides are golden brown. Once you make the balls, then you can put in your mouth, flatten them into discs, and put them in the fridge for 1 hour. Voila! Delicious coffee biscuits, enough to give Thancred a heart attack right away.